Welcome kids. Today we are going to learn the alphabet. Are you ready? Let's go! A, B, C, D E, F, G, H I, J, K, L M, N, O, P Q, R, S, T U, V, W, X Y, Z.
Are we having fun? Let's go again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
A is for alligator, B is for bat, C is for crocodile, D is for dog, E is for elephant, F is for frog, G is for giraffe, H is for horse, I is for iguana, J is for jaguar, K is for kangaroo, L is for lion, M is for monkey, N is for nightingale, O is for octopus, P is for penguin, Q is for quail, R is for rabbit, S is for snake, T is for turtle, U is for unicorn, V is for vulture, W is for whale, X is for xylophone, Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra.